ask you something. Are you trying to manifest love by chasing it? Like, if they text me, then I'll feel wanted. Or if they show up, then I'll feel chosen. Sweet soul, I get it. But that's backwards. True love doesn't come from someone proving that they care. It flows effortlessly towards you once you decide, I am already loved. I am loved. Truly, deeply, here, right now, just as I am. The truth is, most people start their specific person manifesting journeys by trying to manipulate someone else, trying to manifest them to call or to text, or manifest them to finally show up and give you all that love that you've been craving. But that's not alignment. That's attachment. And attachment carries the energy of lack. If you're not willing to become the version of you who already feels loved, safe, desired, and chosen, regardless of your 3D reality, then even if you do get into that relationship with your specific person, it won't last because you will feel secure and thriving within it. So let it go. Bye or see you later. But be grateful regardless that you've got the sign to continue working on yourself, on aligning yourself with that which you truly desire. A fulfilling, loving relationship full of joy, trust, passion, attraction, and success. So, here's the good news, babe. Becoming a version of you who's already loved is not only possible, it's liberating, it's joyful, and it's powerful. You stop seeking energy. You stop seeking validation because deep down, you know it's already mine. And that's the energy that pulls love in like a magnet. Let's pause and be radically honest with yourself, okay? Ask yourself right now, am I trying to manifest love just to feel like I matter? Am I still chasing someone to prove that I'm worthy? If so, beautiful, there's no shame, absolutely no shame. But here's what to say to start shifting your energy today. I am truly loved. I am cherished. I am valued, and I am romantically pursued right now. Repeat it. Feel it. Let it rewire you because every time you repeat this affirmation, you are becoming the version of you who effortlessly attracts more love. Everything starts with identity. Your thoughts create your self-concept, and your self-concept creates your reality. So the real question is, who is the version of you who is already adored, admired, and effortlessly loved? What does she believe about herself? How does she speak? How does she walk? And what story does she tell herself every day? Now tell yourself that story over and over again, even if it feels fake or even if it feels strange at first. That's okay. Why? Because repetition rewires your brain and consistency shifts your vibration. I've been there, obsessing over texts, stalking profiles, and feeling like I wasn't enough if they didn't show up. But everything changed once I made that powerful decision to be the woman who's already loved and desired. Say it with me. I am loved. I am safe. I am enough. Not only do I receive love, but I am love. I radiate it. That's the version of you this world needs. And that's the version of you who gets everything and more. Now remember, there's always a new video coming out on Tuesdays, with my second video coming out on either Thursdays or Fridays, and my shorts sprinkled in between. Thanks for joining me, but most importantly, thank you for always choosing yourself. Keep vibing high, Soul Tribe. Catch you on Tuesday, and namaste.